behind the clouds. Shall we go? Can we take a look down the lanes where our memories rust? I always think of you when the sun comes shining through the clouds. Will you go? Will you take a look? The coconut won't flow so cold anymore. Whatever works with you, until the light comes shining through the clouds. Shining through the clouds. Shall we go for a little walk? Shall we go for a little walk? Shall we go? Shall we go for a little walk?
That was Chris Flynn with Pandora. Chris Flynn came in the studio a couple of weeks ago and he was telling me all about that song. He basically based that song on the old Salford song, Dirty Old Town. If you've not checked the video out on YouTube, do yourselves a favour, check it out. It's full of all great Salford landmarks. And coming up now, we've got another video that's on YouTube. It's Briggsy with Home. And like I say, check this one out on YouTube as well. You'll see a lot of familiar faces if you're from Salford.
I was born, I was raised, I will die here. It's so from the place that was pioneered to give hope, but not to inspire fear. I get tired here, why you without it? This ain't full of fucks, but I couldn't live without it. So we get booked by the council and housing, but it's so cool, every area is bouncing. And they all say that we are never going nowhere, 'cause we just live to die, there ain't gonna be no home there. They'll never know until they see themselves and go there. I love this city and I'll always have my home here. Take me home to the place where I belong. I wanna go home. Let's go. Everywhere that I've been ain't home. Everywhere I perform, they know I'm Briggsy and Salford and they know I'm only here with a bag and a change clothes. I won't change home, here's where I started. They'll always be here, no deal is departed. Here's what my heart is, here's what I have. It's the largest family of Briggs I have planted. There'll never be a day I'll leave and I ain't coming back. This is my home for life, I know that I am loving that. 'Cause I love the sight of everything that I am looking at. If I ever stray, I know my city will go pull me back. Take me home, take me home. No place in the world can give up to me, cause I'm from Salford, so they all look at me like I'm gonna rob. I was born with a foot in me. Would it be so hard just to realise that I made music for food and a mealtime eat for my city? You can see on my BMI, always been together for the city, and she and I.
Take me home, take me home, to the place where I belong. I wanna go home, let's go home. Take me home, to the place where I belong. I wanna go home, let's go home.
Keynote Audio Visuals sponsor the Sounds of Salford for all your TV and audio needs. 388.
You stay away, don't want ya. You silly money, or you conquered anti-social disease. I'm tired of shouting at you, holy Moroni, would you get your bags and give me some peace? We had some fine times, then you stepped over the line, but now it's blue. Maybe one day we could write you an alibi, but why should I defend you? Just go away, don't want ya. Holy Moroni, bony, lonely, rock and rolling disease. I'm tired of shouting at you, holy Moroni, would you get your bags and give me some peace? We had some fine times, then you stepped over the line, but now it's blue. Maybe one day we could write you an alibi, but we're dependent on you. We had some fine times, then you stepped over the line, but now it's blue. Maybe one day we could write you an alibi, but why should I defend you? Just go away, don't want ya. You silly money, or you conquered anti-social disease. Thinking you're funny, honey, all the attention representing like the owner of the beats. Jeez, we had some fine times, then you stepped over the line, but now it's blue. Maybe one day we could write you a lullaby, but why should I?
That was Salford's very own Deaths of the Strange. What a top band they are. They are like one of my favourites at the moment. I've got them, I've got The Ascension, I've got The Moods, I've even got Anki Park as well. And I've been in touch with him recently. I said, do us a favour, Shinny, come in and let's do a show. So I'm just waiting for him to get back to me. So hopefully he'll get back soon and we'll get him in and we'll have a chat on that. Well, right, what have we got on next? I tell you what, song we're talking about Shinny. We'll throw Hanky Park on, shall we?
I'm passing you over skies, and I wonder if I'll ever see you again. What can I do? So in love with you, and I know that our lives have passed us by. What can I do? I'm so in love with you. Maybe we can get together now. Or am I passing like the time? I wonder if we can fly together now. I wonder why, I wonder if we can fly so very high. What can I do? I'm so in love with you. Now I need you more than ever. Oh, I need you more than ever. I need you more than ever. Won't you come fly with me? Won't you try and comfort me? Don't leave me out. No, no, don't leave me be. How I need you to care for me, though I know that I know it won't ever be, won't ever be. Guess we'll have to wait and see. Now I need you more than ever. I need you more than ever. I need you more than ever. Won't you come fly with me?
I said, jumping out of bed, I got something in my head. It's a picture, it's a story of Broughton and its glory. Gonna send it to the Salford Star. If you have something to say, maybe it's a fun day down your way. I'll fight for you right on a building site, on the land where your house once stood. They'll pull no punches, they'll fight hard to get your cause heard wide and far. Donations welcome and support, 'cause it's our Salford Star. Donations welcome and support, 'cause it's our SalfordStar.com.